guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see on the title, I'm gonna make an unboxing video of my new camera. Yay! So if you don't know, guys, I'm going home to my home country, which is the Philippines, next week on Monday. That's why I was thinking that I wanna buy a camera. We're planning to do some trips. It's not like really grand trips, but I just want to have like a new camera, greater quality videos. And then if you're also wondering what I'm using and what I have been using ever since, it was just my phone. And then I was like, maybe it's time for an upgrade. I don't have the money yet, but let's do the upgrade.
Also, if you can see, the background is just so messy because I'm just preparing my stuff, putting all the stuff that I should bring home, the luggages and stuff like that. Okay, anyway, so
yeah, so now let's do the unboxing of this DJI Osmo Pocket 2 camera. We're planning to go to Boracay, and then that's why I bought this one as well. It's a waterproof waterproof case. First, I was thinking if I'm gonna buy like a GoPro or like a camera that's like waterproof already, but then I was thinking like I usually do like indoor videos, and then based on like the reviews, the other cameras, like for example the GoPro and the DJI Action something 3, it's also not so good for like indoor vlogging, and this one is good for like indoor and like nighttime, and also like moving stuff and stuff like that, because it has like a gimbal. Okay, it's called a gimbal. It's like a stabilizer. So now let's do the unboxing. Okay guys, so honestly I don't know how to do it. Like my table is so full right now of stuff, so I'm just gonna hold it like that. Wait, hold on, I'm gonna get my scissors. And also it's my first time, I guess, to do like an unboxing video, so please don't judge me. I'm trying my best here. And now I don't know how to open this one. So guys, I'm just removing like the outer plastic or covering for this one. And then while I'm removing it, if you're wondering why I only got like the camera, so this is the plastic. I didn't get the creator combo. I was already in the store. So first of all, I asked like, what's the difference? So the difference is only the mic and the, okay, I can't remember the name. The thing that will connect the Osmo Pocket 2 to your mobile phone, or like via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. But then I asked the guys there, they said like if I want like a higher quality or like a really good quality videos and photos, to just buy an SD card reader so that it remains the quality. So that one itself is like 200 something. And then also the mic, they said this one comes with a really good mic already, so I don't think I need that one. So I just need the camera and then the waterproof case. That's all I need. So this is it now. I'm gonna open it. Oh my gosh. Oh. So it's like this. Okay, now okay, here. Okay, this is like a little box. Let's open this little box first. These are what I got from inside. This is the wrist holder. This is the power cable, like to recharge or to charge. This is the mini control stick. I don't want to open it yet, or should I? So this is the mini control stick where you insert on the camera. Next is the lightning cable. It's so small. And then the smartphone or the Type-C adapter. And the last one is the tripod mount. The camera should be somewhere here. Okay, so that's what's inside this mini box beside the camera. So now let's go to the camera itself. Okay, it also comes with like the guide on the box, and this is an empty box now, and just a guide, nothing else is here, and the DJI sticker, and that's it. And then this is the actual camera. See how small it is, guys. See? Here. So this is the case. And inside it is the camera. It's so small. So this is the protector case or protective case. And this is the actual camera. Look. Okay, I'm gonna remove it. Wait, I'm so scared. How do I remove it? Okay, guys, if I'm doing it wrong, please comment down below. Don't be mad. It's my first time. This is the screen. This is the camera. Okay, let's start. Let's try to start. Well, I don't know how to start. I mean, I don't know how to turn it on. Oh my gosh, guys. So anyways, this is the camera. Okay, let me just try to find out how to turn this on. 1 second. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. So there's like an instruction here. This is like the power button. I don't know. You can't see it clearly, but it's saying, but it's not. Maybe I should charge it. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna read it later, guys. I'm gonna put some clips after I charge this one. Okay, I'm gonna put the clips here. I'm sorry about that. This is the camera. Hello, so this is my first video for my DJI Osmo Pocket 2. My room is so messy right now because I'm packing for the Philippines. So now let's do the unboxing for the waterproof case. So as I've mentioned, guys, we're planning to go to Boracay. That's why I bought this waterproof case. But like most of the time, I'm just working like indoor or outdoor, but not really like water something need. But then I just thought like I don't want to miss the good stuff in Boracay, right? So if you want to buy just this one, here in Canada, it's $77 plus tax. Here is the waterproof case. Okay, before that, let's check what's inside the box. Okay, this is the remainder. This one, I guess it's just like the foam or something that you can put inside. And then again, the stickers, the guide, more guides here, and then desiccant, I guess because it's waterproof, just in case the water leaks in, then I guess we can use this ones. It's desiccant, fiber desiccant, and then a silica gel, and then nothing else is inside. And then now let's go to this one. I have like I saw like videos pros and cons of this case. They said like if you like, you know, the gimbal, it twists like 360, right? But this one, it can't go 360. It's just like front view, like GoPro type of thing, like front view. It can go like back and forth. Okay, so this is it. Okay, now let's try to put inside the camera. So here, there are the buttons here. Then, oh my gosh, it's so hard. I don't want to break it. Okay, here, guys. Here. So I know like the camera is not yet on. So let's just try if it fits in, okay? So this one is the front. I'm just gonna put it inside. Oh, sorry guys, you have to pull this one here. See? I don't know this one. Okay guys, myself, I need to to watch like tutorial videos. Sorry. Then I guess you can put it inside, put it back in. Okay, there it is. Then I can put it in, like the cover back in. And we have to do it very, very tight so that the water won't go inside. Okay, disclaimer guys, I'm not very, very pro on any camera. I'm not a camera expert. I'm just doing unboxing. Yay! So this is it. My camera is inside. I know it's not yet on, and then there's the waterproof case. So guys, if this video is still so short, I'm gonna insert clips on videos or clips that I use this one, and probably not yet on the waterproof thing, but for sure on my next video, especially on Boracay videos, for sure I will use this one, and you can see all the videos using this one. So from now on, I'm gonna use my camera, not my phone anymore. But I still have like few videos guys that I haven't uploaded yet because I haven't edited it yet, honestly. So I am gonna, like, all the Philippine videos, that's for sure using this one, but all the Canada and maybe until like the hospital placement video, that's still using my phone. Okay, so that's it for today's video guys. I am so sorry. I am not like an expert of any cameras. I am not an expert of like doing like reviews of the cameras and stuff like that. I'm just trying the unboxing video. It's so expensive. I need to get money from this. I'm just kidding guys, but yeah, so hopefully you have like a view, or you have an idea of what's inside the boxes of the camera and the waterproof case. And then probably like a month from now, or like few usage, probably I'm gonna make a video or like a review kind of video, like the pros and the cons of this camera, and if it's worth the price, and if it's worth not the hype anymore, but then it's like very cute, very handy. And if you're like a shy vlogger, a new vlogger, like, you know, it's too much to bring like the heavy cameras, the big cameras in front of all people. So this one is like very shy type kind of camera. Like, it's so small. Like, see that? Like, it's so small. Like, this is the camera, the lens here, and this is the camera. Like, it's so small guys. Like, look, like it doesn't even look like it's a camera. So yes, so if you're a new vlogger, you don't have the budget yet, you can try this one, and I'm gonna give you reviews probably a month from now, or let's say 2 months from now max, and then I'm gonna tell you if it's worth the price. Okay, so again, thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope you like these videos. I hope you find this video useful for you and helpful for you, and I hope to see you again on my next vlogs. Please subscribe guys and share my videos to you. Again, I'm going to Philippines in my next videos. You will see Philippines and my travel videos. For the rest of my internationals, or like student here in international student here in Canada, or life here in Canada, for sure we'll be back after a month. Okay, see you guys.